Hi sewing friends, it's me, Alice Murray. My little granddaughter likes it when I say hi sewing friends when she hears me on TV. But anyway, hi sewing friends. I'm Alice Murray with Murr-Made Designs, where I am attempting to show you 365 days of sewing makes. And you are joining me on day 66. And I am 12 subscribers away from 100 subscribers. So if you watch this channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe because that would be so great to get to 100 subscribers. Today, I want to show you this cute little top. It is a free downloadable pattern from Seamworks, and the top is called the York, a charming blouse. And I'll just show you the line drawings. It comes with bust darts and cuffs with slits in them and a keyhole closure in the back with a tie and a back seam. This is my second ever free downloadable pattern and it worked just fine. Good instructions, easy to figure out. It's kind of fun putting together like a big puzzle. You have to print out quite a few pages, which is kind of a downside, but other than that, it worked great. So I'll just give you a little twirl and then I'll talk about the fabric. This is a very beautiful, I actually really love this top. Beautiful kind of pumpkin colored chiffon that's just perfect for fall. And you can see it's got kind of abstract black circles in it. This is part of Fabricland's fall fabric called their cinnamon collection. And yeah, I love sewing with chiffon. I think chiffon makes beautiful flowy tops. I didn't put the bust darts in because I think chiffon has to be flowy, not fitted. And I didn't put the keyhole in the back because you could get it on and off just fine without that. What I did do though is I did make this out of 2 layers of chiffon, so that like chiffon's kind of see-through. Plus I think it drapes better that way. Plus that way it I think it finishes the neckline very nice when you have 2 layers. So I'll show you one more time. Just drop my poppy. Oops. So yeah, I think that's beautiful material. Thank you, Fabricland, and a great pattern. Thank you, Seamworks. And what I'm grateful for today, I'm grateful for 2 things. One, I am grateful to my dear sister-in-law who went to Fabricland, FaceTimed me, and we shopped the store. So I was able to get this and several other pieces of fabric from their fall collection. So you'll be seeing more of that in the next little while. Hopefully it's a little while. I've kind of got a long queue of things that I'm working on. And I'm also grateful for the dear soul who brought me a poppy. Because to me it's very important that we remember when Remembrance Day comes. Those that have fought for our freedom. And I also found out in Canada that they have an online poppy you can go and buy and donate and do it in the name of anyone in your family that was in the war. So I did that for my uncle. So thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun.